Hung's daily routine. Oh man, I just missed it. Boo, tell them what's going on with you.
Putting on sunscreen.
No. What have you been doing over there?
I've been pooping non-stop.
Per usual. I mean, what else is new? Good morning. It is Tuesday, January 21st, so you know what that means.
21st.
It's my last day being 28. So Hung got noodles. So we got free breakfast at this hotel. Thank you. But unfortunately we won't be able to have time for tomorrow. We are at the beach. We still have time this morning before we head off for our day adventure. Hung is gonna fly his drone for the first time. I don't have unlimited music. Fully dressed, and now we're going to the spa. We're gonna try taking the bike on what is it called? Grab. Just got to the spa. Fifth floor. Go up here, left.
You saw the ramp or any flap.
Want to take the stairs? So lazy. Last day plans. Smells nice. This is where we're going.
This is the here is a massager or the knee and to the right here. Is it open? Jinsanchi.
I like it.
I like it.
It's like with honey.
And we are done.
Hung is now looking for chapstick. Hey, wound care. I don't think it's on this section. I knew it. You just want to come here for drinks. Oh, here, Poco Sweat.
Here. No, this one is. Ooh, should try one of their candy.
Strawberry. Yeah.
Got our food. I got the Dragon Ball. Got fries.
Sugar for the.
And then she got the strawberry.
Yeah, they were out of the acai bowl.
Cheers.
This is a little rice patty. As you can see, it's still growing. When it's all tall, on the top you'll see the rice.
See, he doesn't even know what she's talking about.
I do. I just went to a rice terrace yesterday.
But off to I don't know where. I gotta stop at 8. Our town. I noticed this gate. So when you go from one, is it town to town to another town, you go through like this gate. At least that's what I do. We're gonna have to go up.
I never sweated so much. Milk chocolate. Look at Hung being a local. Our hotel, our room as your place for holiday. I hope you always have a great day and pleasant stay with us. Your room boy, Raka.
And we got more fruit.
Thank you, Raka.
So we finally got the name of this fruit.
It's
Snake skin
no,
fruit.
it's like
Snake skin fruit.
this is what their medicine tablet looks like. It tells you stomach care. All of these.
So apparently we just choose what we want. Whoa, look, fish.
Thank you. Are we chopsticks?
Definitely got the cheese. It's so good.
Dinner?
Show them the tree.
Did you?
Yes.
You didn't show them this earlier? This is across from the restaurant that we ate at. It's getting a little bit busy. So I don't know if Hung told you. So basically what you do is you literally just go straight to, what is that aquarium? The tank where there's like fishes, lobsters, clams, and you tell them what you want. And then then you choose if you want them like grilled or steamed. And then they have vegetables. We got their vegetables, one plate of vegetable, and they use a lot of garlic, but I didn't mind because I love garlic. The sauce for the lobster was so good. It's not like your typical butter or whatever. It's really good. It's spicy, but so I dipped it a little bit. I forgot that we're in Asia, so spicy actually means something. So like, cause like, you know, when you go to an American restaurant, if you ask for like, if they ask you if you want spicy, you're like, yeah, but then it's not spicy. Now we're just waiting for the Grab. Hung wanted to go to this restaurant, but I think he was a little worried because we want to get a Grab. We're gonna try using Grab food for McDonald's. Okay, like I said, we are ordering Grab food. And I was looking at the prices. Oh my gosh. Amazed. I want a cheeseburger deluxe, so that whole meal, the cheeseburger, the fries, and the soda is $2.60. Hung wants a large Big Mac meal. So it's a Big Mac, a fry, and a soda. And that's $3.13. Our total will be $5 or $6, or probably about 10, maybe because of the driver.